Hello everyone, I'm Ken. This is Ken in the Kitchen, and today we're doing one of my favorite breakfast recipes. We're going to do Eggs Benedict. Except I actually don't do a traditional Eggs Benedict because I don't like poached eggs. We're going to sub in an over medium egg, so I still have a good runny yolk, but I get the flavor of the salt and pepper that I season it with and the butter that I put in the skillet. I'm actually going to prepare this dish 3 different ways, and I'll show you how right here. So let's dive in. I'll show you my ingredients list, what I'm going to use for these 3 different recipes, and I'll show you how to make a really delicious hollandaise sauce. It's a lot easier than you might think. So let's get to it. Okay, so real quickly, these are the ingredients I'm going to use. With a traditional Eggs Benedict, you're going to use the English muffin, the Canadian bacon, the Hollandaise sauce, and a poached egg. We're scratching the poached egg all together. Everything else is going to be the same. I'm also going to add in a version that'll have a croissant, one that'll have an everything bagel. I'm going to add in bacon on one of those 2 and a ham steak on one of those 2. But the hollandaise sauce is an amazing thing. It's so easy to do. I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. So let's get into it. All right, so these are the ingredients we're going to use for the hollandaise sauce. We just need 4 tablespoons of butter, salt, pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice, about 1.5 tablespoons of the heavy whipping cream, and we're going to use 5 eggs. After we get that together, I'll show you how to make it nice and creamy. All right, let's go. Okay, so I have my 5 egg yolks all prepared. I have the salt and pepper, the lemon, and the heavy cream. I'm going to go ahead and get things combined. I've already went ahead and melted the 4 tablespoons of butter. We'll temper that in just a minute. So let's get it put together. Okay, so I've got my saucepan set up. We're going to put the burner on low because we don't need a lot of heat for this. Let's go ahead and get our mixture in. Okay. And we want to keep this moving. See, now it's starting to thicken up a little bit. All right, turn the heat off. We have reached exactly what we're looking for. And it will also thicken up a little bit as it sits, so let's go ahead and get this out of here. Okay, so now that we've got this all prepared, it's the thickness that we want. We're just going to add some salt and pepper and see if we're where we need to be. All right, I'm just going to mix this in a little bit, and we're going to give it a taste test and see if I added enough salt and pepper. That looks really good. That consistency looks perfect. All right, let's give it a try. And oh my God, that is perfect. We don't need to add anything else to that. Okay, so for the Eggs Benedict version that I make, I actually use one of these 3 different, bases. So the everything bagel, croissant, or the sourdough English muffin. With this one, I'm going to do the Canadian bacon and American cheese. With this one, I'm going to do the regular bacon and Colby. And with this one, I'm going to do the ham steak and the shredded cheddar cheese. All right, so let's get these things all cut and toasted, and then we'll start making the eggs and get everything put together. Okay, so now we're to the fun part. All we gotta do now is add the cheese and then put on the hollandaise sauce, cut these guys open, and we're gonna give them a try. So let's get it done. So as you see, it really is a simple thing to make. These are my 3 styles of Eggs Benedict. I call them Eggs Ken-edict because I use the over medium egg, not the poached egg. So I'm gonna take a bite and tell you what I think. I get the bagel in there. Oh, well. Oh my God. That sauce, that hollandaise sauce is so amazing. And as you saw, it was really easy to do. Just a little salt, a little pepper. You don't need a whole lot. Use the 4 tablespoons of butter, the 5 egg yolks, and the 1 tablespoon. Okay, so as you can tell, I was having some technical difficulties, some with the audio, some with the video. So what I really wanted to try to get out was, this is a great recipe. It really is easy to do. Give it a try. Tell me in the comment section below what you thought about it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. I'm really trying to hit that 100 subscribers. So I will see you all on the next video.